So yesterday afternoon, it just rained constantly, so badly that we didn't leave the house. Me and Anna and the cat and the dog just stayed in. And around about 5 or 6 o'clock, Anna went outside and she came in and she said, "Why are there so many frogs and worms on our drive?" And I walked out. There was hundreds of these worms, you know, big worms and frogs, snails. And we opened the gate, and that's when we saw the floodwaters rising fast into our house. We've got the expensive furniture stacked above the cheap furniture in the hope that if the water does come in here, the expensive antique stuff is going to be okay. This spare room in the house is our storage unit whilst our house is being built. There's not a lot we can do about that. So the water started to come in pretty fast at this point, and we thought we better move the truck to a safer place, because it was really getting deep. It was almost to my knees at the driveway at this point. We took our truck to the other side of town, and we followed our neighbour doing that, and they were in their car. And then our neighbour's friend brought us all back and dropped us back at the house. And then it was during this journey that we realised just how serious this actually was. Jeez. It's gone up quick, hasn't it?
He said that guy parked over there.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
It's not the best. Oh my god. It's just a security guard, maybe. One was second floor, it's okay, but we don't have a second floor.
We can pile the stuff up on the floor, can't we?
On the bed. I went down to do my hair.
Look at this here, this garage.
Oh my god. Hey, be careful on the bridge here, okay?จะลงมาหนึ่งคิดว่าที่ว่า
กะมือหนักคำว่ามีน้ำมันหนุนเพิ่มนี่เลยน่าจะลง
เข้าชิด
So we've had to evacuate our truck out of our house, because apparently, but last time the waters got this high, it came a lot higher than this. So everybody's getting ready. So we're now at the back of a friendly neighbour's truck, heading back to our house, because our pets are there and all that. Everything we own in the world is stored in that house. see what's going on. Which door, darling?
The gates.
Yeah, definitely.
Take a bite.
Yeah, I will. I will. Oh, look at these dogs. Yeah, I'll change them now. I cannot believe how quickly that water has risen. When we drove our truck out only 15 minutes ago, it was pretty deep around the corner, but now we've come back to the house. Somebody gave us a lift in the back of the truck to drop us back off. And it's right up to the door of the house. It's worrying because I shouldn't worry about material things, but you can't help it because everything we own is stacked up in the spare bedroom, unmovable, you know, everything we own. So let's just fucking hope it doesn't get any deeper than this. My God, nightmare, absolute nightmare. God, this is creepy. That's up to my knees now. coming in it. So it was this point we realised this was not going to stop. so we kind of got a bag full of just valuables, wrapped them in a couple of bin bags, and I carried that above her head. We put the cat in a backpack on my shoulder, and I then held the dog, because at this point in the street the water was up to my waist, up to Anna's chest, and we then waded through the pitch black for 1 mile. 1 mile. It was hell on earth. It was like something out of a horror movie. It's okay, darling, it's okay. It's okay. The cat is in the bag. We eventually got to dry land, which was just on the edge of the town centre, and we then walked maybe half a kilometre up, and there was a hotel with a room that accepted the two of us and the dog and the cat at 11 o'clock at night, you know. So we were thankful for that, because the car was the opposite side of the city, where we thought was a safe place from the floods. We would realise the next day that that wasn't the case, but for now, anyway, we had a hotel, we showered and collapsed in bed. The following morning, at 5:45, I got up, got dressed, and decided to walk back to our house to see the damage. This is horrendous. I have no idea what's in this water. I don't want to know. I don't want to know what's in the water. It's cold as well. This is really, really slow going. I'm tempted to swim, but no. Well, I'm about maybe 10 minutes from getting to the house, I think, at this speed. I'm not looking forward to seeing what's there. My God. Jesus Christ. Oi! I'm struggling to record because of that fucking massive snake that basically climbed a tree and then jumped out of the tree again. Okay, enough video, fucking hell. Here's our house. Very much underwater. Oh God, it's deep. My God. Well, that's pretty horrible. My God.